G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. Here we have a 1967 Ford Mustang Coupe. Heart colours cast. Thing about it is I like it's all metal front. All metal front. I just don't like the wheels, but we're about to resurrect that in a second. I'm just going to actually quickly pop it out of the packet, like I've showed you before. Up, under, down, across. Oh, just one in my hand. Dunsky. Right. There it is. I've already pre-drilled the base, you already know that now, because it just fell out on me. And we've got it out of the base, just hideous sets of wheels or whatever else there, but I actually don't mind this casting at all. It'll look quite good, all done. So we're just going to do a quick wheel swap of the street and strip tyre sets. Street and strip. Try and get them together there. So that way we've got so we put these on there. I've already drilled it, as you know. Not that I wasn't going to say I didn't drill it, but just see, it's all nice heavy metal, the whole back end of this car. So let's strip down all that sort of stuff there. It'll look absolutely a treat, all decorated in another video. So this will be part one. All we're going to be doing in this one is doing the wheel spot and getting these hideous looking wheels off there, and the base will be going to black. That's a definite for sure. I can guarantee you that without fail. So we'll just put that up onto there. Oh, them ones already chomped out themselves. Awesome. Right. Yeah, we weren't holding in for very much. Different story in the front. So we'll yucky wheels. Oh god. I make real cuddle wheels now for babies if you have a girl or a boy, so you can go and do blue burnout smoke or pink burnout smoke. My god. Alright. That's absolutely ugly, those wheels. Paint job I don't like, definitely either. But we are going to strip it back to bare metal, this car, and give it a nice coat of paint. Don't know what colour we're going to paint it yet. I'll have to think about that there. Maybe you want to let me know in the comments before we get into part two. Let me know what you think. Whether you like, what colour you're thinking that we should paint the Mustang. Alright, just put that there for 1 second, so I can put these windscreen back in. Oh, right way around, we might be in luck. Putting all that back in. Yep. Hopefully all the wheels will stay into shape, in the place. Yep. There we go. Stay in there. Getting me worried, I don't think anything that's moving around so much. Yep, that's it. Beautiful. Yeah, alright. So that's we got rid of those ugly things off there. Don't know why that's better. Thanks. Righto. There we go. Back axle needs trimming, but that's just the wheel spot, and that's the difference a wheel spot makes, to get rid of all of that other, get rid of those things off there. Yeah. Use the axles. Don't know about they using them for anything else, but that's what the Mustang looks like. So we'll work out. Let us know, subscribers, what colour we're going to paint it, or what colour should we give the Mustang. All right. So leave it in your hands. That's the street and strip set, 5-spoke, with the Goodyear slick mono slicks on the back and the treaded tyres in the front. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll be back with more. Stay safe and take care. Thanks for watching, like I'm saying. Bye for now.